Hello, trading is closed on May 7th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. I made a couple of predictions yesterday. One was there was a mejt target of 2104.03. I said if we gapped up, I thought we had a good chance to hit it. Well, we did not gap up, and it didn't print, so we have to add that to the list of failed targets. It should print at some time. We just can't say when. The other prediction was that this action yesterday with the close over the early morning low was a potential reversal day and that the decline could be over. So far, that's worked out. During the day, mejt said in the afternoon that the drop was a false move, that prices would retrace to this thick blue line on or after this time, which they did. It also said early on that the whole rally was a false move and gives us a target of a return to 2080.95, most likely by early Monday. Well, if we keep going up, we're not going to hit 2080.95. So what are the chances that this resistance will hold? Well, we have the mejt resistance. We also have a Fibonacci 61.8% resistance. If you measure from the March low to the April high, we hit our head on that 61.8% level. So at least it has a chance of holding. It's usually a positive pattern if you start out low and rally all day long, but it's not positive if you can't close over the middle of the day high. I don't know why this moves on me. Must be a jumping bean in there or something. It isn't positive if you can't close over the middle of the day high. And unless we have a gap over this high, I think lower prices should print tomorrow with this 2080.95 being a reasonable target. Now, what if that prints? This was the DeMark buy signal at the low. The green is the combo buy. The bar 13 in blue is the sequential buy, and the question mark means it finished early. There's no requirement that the pattern go to completion, and there's no requirement that we get a real bar 13, meaning it didn't finish early. But if we do, it should close under the low of number 8, which is 2080.09. So if we drop and have a 30-minute bar closing under 2080.09, which is almost the same price, within a fraction of a handle of the mejt target, we'll get a buy signal. In addition to this DeMark buy signal at the low, we have a Fibonacci retracement of 38.2% at the low if you measure from the December low to the April high. So we have a reasonable trading plan for tomorrow. If we have a gap or an early trade over the middle of the day high, today's high, we will have overcome resistance, and I think it's unlikely that this lower target will print. Should that not happen, I would look for us to drop, hit a bottom, at least in the 2080-ish area, perhaps a bit lower, but I would look for yesterday's low at 2067.93 to hold, and for a rally to begin from that point. And that's today's call.